You gotta sell an experience. When you sell an experience, it has a lasting memory.
Absolutely.
Because when you age and you're 85 years old and you're sitting on your porch, what are you going to tell your grandchildren? What are you going to tell whoever is there next to you? The tales. Look at the furnace.
Well, the furnace here is getting heated up, and the fire is going to get quick spread. It's just an oil barrel that you see in there. You light it up on two sides, and the center is lit, and it places the flattened roti into it.